Thunder and lightning is the topic that we're learning about today. This book was written by Wendy Pfeffer, and this is a Scholastics book. Wow, look at the tremendous picture of lightning. Now remember, lightning is what we see with our eyes. Thunder is the sound that we hear. Thunder and lightning. I just love this photograph. Amazing. Here comes a storm. Black clouds sweep across the sky. Strong winds whip through the trees. These are big clouds. Lightning flashes. Thunder crashes. Rain begins to fall. This is a thunderstorm. How do thunderstorms happen? It takes a few steps for a thunderstorm to form. On hot days, puddles of water dry up. Your wet bathing suit dries too. Where does the water go? It goes up into the clouds. We learned that yesterday. You can't see it, but this is happening at all the time. How does this happen? Well, you know it as well. Hot air turns water into gas you cannot see. This gas is called, do you remember? Water vapor. Hot air rises like a balloon. It carries water vapor up to the clouds. Cold air in the clouds turns the water vapor back into water. Look at these balloons going up in the air. Storm clouds hold billions of drops of water. Some drops join together. They get heavy and fall to earth as rain. Winds push the other drops around in the storm clouds. The drops bump into one another. Bump, bump, bump. The bumping causes static electricity. You see a flash, you hear a sizzle. Sometimes static electricity makes your hair crackle when you comb it. When electricity starts to flow, it isn't static anymore. Electricity flows through the air like a river flows on the ground. Look at their hair sticking up. That's static electricity. When electricity flows through a cloud, a giant spark lights up the sky. This is lightning. There are many types of lightning. Some of them are zigzag, ribbon, ball, and sheet lightning. Look at the different types of lightning. Zigzag lightning follows two or more paths. It branches out like the limbs of a tree. Zigzag lightning. Wow. Ribbon lightning looks like streamers in the sky. See the streamers? See how these ones separate? This one was zigzag lightning, and this one is, what was it? Ribbon lightning. Astronauts have seen another types of lightning. These strange glows above thunderstorms have been named blue jets, sprites, and elves. Blue jets rise from the tops of clouds. Sprites are flashes of red light. Elves are thin rings of light. Scientists are learning what causes these different kinds of lightning. They are studying lightning very carefully, both from the Earth and from outer space. Every lightning flash makes thunder. How does a flash of light make sound? Well, as lightning flashes, it heats the air. The hot air pushes out, then it rushes back. The hot air pushes out again and rushes back over and over. This makes the sound that you hear. The sound is, you're right, thunder. The sound of thunder travels fast, but light travels about 1,000,000 times faster than sound. So you see lightning before you hear thunder. First you see the flash, and then after a while you hear the sound of thunder. Thunder may be scary, but it cannot hurt you. When the storm stops, the air often feels cool and clean. Puddles left from the storm give birds a drink and kids a place to play. If the sun is shining after the rain, you may see a rainbow. Now this book also has a glossary, important words that we're learning about and their definitions, like clouds, electricity, lightning, and so forth. And that's the end of our book that we read today about thunder and lightning.